Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm continuing my 1000 item declutter, and what you're looking at is a bag of empty containers, little bags, little boxes of things that were in some of the tool cabinets in our garage. And what I've done is I got some plastic containers from Michael's in the beading section, and I have reorganized all of these items and consolidated them into those plastic containers. And if you'd like to see that in another video, please comment down below and I'll show you how I organize them. But what I'm going to do is go through and count all of these bags and boxes, and each one had different items in it, so I am going to count each of them as an item in my declutter. So that's it for now, and I'll get back to you once I've counted everything up. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm continuing my 1000 item declutter in my garage. I am working on the tool bench drawers. Yesterday I got rid of several dozen pieces of packaging, and if some of them were empty, some of them I consolidated, but I'm going to continue on today with the next drawer, and hopefully I can get rid of some more excess packaging, or if I come across items that we don't need anymore, then I can either donate them if they're usable, or recycle them or trash them, depending on what's going on. So I'm going to switch to camera angle now and show you the drawer that I'm going to be working on. So here is the drawer that I'm going to be working on today. And there are a lot of items in here. I know I already have containers in this drawer and you can see this is a lot more organized, and if you'd like a tour of that drawer, please leave me a comment down below and I will show you when I'm all done with all the decluttering. So in here there's a lot of things. There's lots of screws, some picture hanging things, anchor bolts, all different kinds of things, and I want to see if I can consolidate them into some of those boxes that were peeking out of that other drawer, and whether or not I need to get some additional boxes maybe to hold some things. So I'm going to work on that because it's probably going to be pretty boring and take a while for me to go through all of this. I'm not going to put that on camera, but I'll do what I did yesterday, and I will show you my bag of empties when I am all done with decluttering this drawer. That's it for now. I'll check back in later. Okay, so here's my bag full of empty packages and things that are going to be trashed. And I counted it up. I didn't count every little single item, but I still came up with 125 things that needed to be trashed. And then I have these items, 1, 2, 3, 4 that I'm going to donate because they're still good use. These are some clip curtain hooks, a hotel style drying line, doesn't match any hardware we have anymore, and then 2 like pencil holder type things that we don't need. So that's my next round of decluttering, and I will show you the totals in just a second. So here are the totals for the 3 rounds I've done recently. The gift wrapping, I got 27 items. The top tool drawer, 70 items. And the second tool drawer, 129 items. So that's a total of 226 items. And my grand total so far is 531 items. So I have 469 left to go, I believe. And I'm coming right along, so this is good. And I will show you how that second drawer turned out in just a minute. So you can see the second drawer is now a lot more organized. Most of those little items had 2 or 3 things in the package that I was able to consolidate into this top drawer that has these boxes with compartments. So I am really pleased with how this turns out. If this is inspiring to you, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the button down below and also hitting the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. I still have a few hundred items left to go in this 1000 item declutter, so I hope you'll continue to join me and continue to get inspired by watching me do this. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.